I'll start with PMS because it happens earlier. Now, a way that we understand cycles is that we always say, in the world of menstruation, we always say day 1 is when you bleed. And I believe that that's a fallacy because your energy is not starting energy when you are menstruating, and it's not bleeding, it's menstrual shedding. So I use just the normal language, and now I'm gonna Christina-Marie-ify it. And so I think I would counter that day 1 is actually when you go into what I call soldier mode and what biologically they might call follicular phase. Testosterone's being pumped in and you're like aggro. Like when you're in soldier mode, you're a soldier. Like get out of the way, hut. Like I got a ball to get down the field. Do not get in my way. I've got full energy and I'm so excited. And so I would say that soldier phase is day 1. And if we look at it like that, as that being our cycle, then PMS comes first, before menstrual shedding. Okay, so PMS comes about 20 days after, 17 to 20 days after that soldier phase that I just talked about. After that aggro energy, the energy is starting to wane, and then we're in PMS. And see, PMS is premenstrual syndrome, which doesn't tell you what's happening. It's just telling you what it's preceding. It's preceding menstruation. But I call it queen phase, and that's because whether you're having PMS or you have done the work and you no longer have PMS, queen phase is a time when you are looking at how to make your kingdom, that is you, how to make your kingdom better. You are tackling the unavoidable questions. All the things that you've been tolerating during the cycle come right in your face. Your awareness is just very high because energetically you're introverted, but in your mental body, because I speak about this stuff holistically, and there are 4 bodies in the holistic body being. There's spirit, intuitive, physical, emotional, and mental. And when we are living in menstrual alignment, and what's naturally happening in our cycle is that each one of these bodies has vacation phase, and they have like, I'm on fleek, like I am so amazing. Queen phase is when mental is very, very powerful, but our energy is introverted, which means that powerful mental stuff is directed, it should be directed at us. But when you live a life that we're groomed to live, which is one that is utterly devoted to self-sacrifice, doing for others, we get applauded when we are everything for everybody. We get applauded for, oh, she did no wrong, she's such a saint. You know, these kinds of things. And what happens is, and why PMS happens, is that we have this very strong mental energy that's saying, you need to deal with this problem. You need to look at this question. It's a big question. You need to do da. And instead of us looking at opportunities for improvement for ourselves, which is what it's supposed to do, we are outside focused. And so we rage at our outside world about, we need to look at this. It's not for other people.